Welcome to this video. We'll learn machine learning from Google's TensorFlow in this video. TensorFlow provides us free resources to learn this machine learning. If you want to learn the machine learning, you need to know the basic four areas you need to know. That is coding, and also we need to learn about basic mathematics, statistics, and also we need to learn about the basics of some machine learning theory. Okay. And then we can basically work on some projects, machine learning based projects. Then we can finish it up, right? So we need to learn all these four areas like coding, math, machine learning theory, and also a project, that is real-time project we have to do. To do the project, you can take any Kaggle data set and you can work on this particular thing. Like, okay, so this is way how you can master the machine learning. We should start somewhere. Okay, TensorFlow provides us different curriculums are provided here, and also different resources are provided. So as I told you that four areas of machine learning education are, we need to have the first skill, that is your coding skill, where you need to learn like Python programming or any other programming language or programming and all that. Generally we learn Python programming, right? Secondly, we need to learn about the maths and the statistics, like basic linear algebra, trigonometry, and also so many other mathematical things or statistical things we need to learn, like mean, median, and all that. And we need to learn about the machine learning theory, like what are the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and many other learning algorithms that we need to learn. And then we can create our own projects using Google Colab or any other platform. Right here, TensorFlow provides us the basic courses like basics of machine learning course, theoretical and advanced machine learning courses using your TensorFlow, and also using JavaScript. That something we don't need this. We'll stick on to only the basics of machine learning and also to the theoretical advances of the machine learning with the TensorFlow. These are the two courses we need to learn here, right? So let us go and see what are the different resources that are available. Different educational resources that are available here are like books are available, online courses, math concepts are available, TensorFlow resources are available, and human-centered artificial intelligence is also available, like APIs. So books are, these are the some of the books like AI machine learning for the coders and deep learning with the Python. That is all what available here, right? These are the some of the books that are available. We can go and check about these particular books here. Okay, these are the some of the books like deep learning, hands-on machine learning, cycle and all this. These are the some of the instructors that are available here, and also courses that are available here. Some of these courses are free, some of these courses are we need to buy them, like from the Coursera or any other particular platform. We'll show you that. Like here we can see the courses like Introduction to TensorFlow for Deep Learning is a free course. Directly you can go and you can opt this course and you can learn the course and you can get a certificate. Machine Learning Crash course, this one is also free, you can just learn it. What are the remaining courses are there, that I will show you how to access those particular courses. Right, these are the some of the courses that are available here. For instance, that's all. These are the courses, right? So see, if you see this course, like which is given by Coursera, right? Here you need to enroll, but you need to purchase the Coursera, which will cost you again. So this is not a free course. This is a good course, but it is supported by there. Okay, whereas you can see other courses like I will show you other course like machine learning crash course. So this is a free course that you can learn from directly from the TensorFlow. Here you are having these things like 30 exercises, 25 lessons, 15 hours of running, lectures from the Google researchers. Class case studies will be provided, real world case studies and interactive sessions will be there. We'll see just a prerequisite of this course like algebra, linear algebra, trigonometry, statistics, calculus, Python programming, basic terminal commands, fast terminal commands. These things you need to know here, right? Again, you can give the what are the requirements that you have or not, that you can provide it here. So if you have any pre-work that you can upload it here, like these are the basic things that you have to learn here. Like in algebra you need to learn about the variables, coefficient, functions, linear equation. If you don't know, you can just click on that blue color link and you can just learn what those are there, and you can make a notes and you can just practice those particular things in the Python. Okay, you need to learn about the trigonometry, statistics. You need to learn, these are all the basic things that you need to learn here, like mean, what is a mean, median, outlier, standard deviation, how to read the histograms. These all things we need to learn. Okay, some calculus parts we need to learn, and then finally we need to learn about the Python programming. We have a separate Python tutorial here that you can learn the Python tutorial from there. Otherwise, if you know the basic Python, like defining and calling the functions, and how to use the keywords, and how to use the dictionaries, create the dictionaries, list sets, how to create, access them, iterating them using your for loops. Okay, example with multiple iterator for loops are used, and also we can use different types of conditional statements like if and else, all this, and the string formats. String formatting is very important to represent the data, and also learn about the basic data types like your integer, float, boolean, and all. And tell commands are, that's all you know, right? Basic commands that you need to learn, bash commands, that are all the basic commands you should learn. So this is how you can learn the basics of machine learning. I will show you home other courses whatever available here. You can see that is a crash course we have seen now. We do also have different, so many other courses are available. So you can go through this website, very useful website, and you can learn the machine learning from this particular website here. The link of this particular website is provided in your description. You can go through the description and you can just use that link, and you can go there and you can learn this machine learning. Hope this was useful for you. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.